Team T, baby! How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? So, as a lot of you guys noticed, which I am so grateful for you guys, I have been gone for probably over a week on YouTube and social media and Instagram and mostly all my social media sites. Not due to the fact that it was a choice that I wanted to, but that I had to. So yes, just to make a long story short, I'm okay. Thank you all for asking. I really appreciate all your guys' love and concern. That I was in the hospital for over, actually just under a week, due to some anemic, some like inside medical issues that just happened to appear out of nowhere that I had no idea. But then again, internally, sometimes you don't know what's going on. So it's always good to get your blood work taken, to get checked. I'll go in more details if you guys comment below and actually really want to hear the story, but I don't want to drag on about the whole entire story of everything that happened during this video, because I actually have some other really cool stuff to talk about. So if you want that in another video, is this blurry? No. If you guys want that in another video, just let me know, and I don't mind making a video to tell you guys what happened, because you're all so sweet to ask if I was okay and where I was. So I'm back. I'm feeling a lot better. It took me a couple days once I got out to just recover before I hopped back on in front of the camera. But today I have to talk to you guys about something that's one of my favorites, and I've tried all different kinds of brands. I've tried probably 4 to 5 different CBD brands and companies, and I don't smoke weed, but I do believe and love CBD. So I'm working with this brand called Premium Jane, and I only accept offers, or I only accept collaborations with brands that I believe in, that are 100% vegan, and obviously after I try them that work. So I always give things a try before I make the video, and then let the company know, like, okay, I tried it, this is amazing, I have to tell you guys about it. So they're called Premium Jane. They're all like, I really love too, like how their bottles are super classy. So you can see it's like a really nice look to it, and it tells you exactly how many, like this is 1 ounce bottle, and then the instructions, like everything, how much you should take. So a lot of people ask, is this going to be considered if I take CBD? If I get tested, will I be tested negative or whatever? No. CBD is honestly so good for you and for so many different things, that if you have a job where you can't necessarily smoke weed, which is completely different, this doesn't have that in it. So you can rub it on you, take the droppers, and you're going to be good to go to work. So this is the CBD oil dropper. Half of this dropper is what they consider a serving size. So basically it's 40 servings in this tiny little bottle. I mean, that's a lot for this tiny little bottle. So what I recommend doing, honestly, for me, just because it's oil, I feel like if you put it either under your tongue and just don't think about like a taste, if you have a hard time with doing like oils in your mouth, like sometimes I do, but if you put it on your tongue and get like some kind of drink ready to drink like right after it and wash it down with, it's no big deal. And trust me, it feels amazing. Like it's good for, I feel like, anxiety, pain for sure, to help you sleep, before the gym, after the gym. When I typically like to do this is usually after the gym. I tried it one time before the gym, and honestly I was a little bit too wired. I don't know what, it reacts to everybody differently. So this after the gym, like while I'm getting ready to do like my work and stuff, it kind of just keeps me like relaxed. Like I just feel like really like, okay, I just worked out, my muscles feel super good now. And then this, honestly, whenever. This is the topical cream, soothing cocoa butter and eucalyptus. Oh my god, I wish y'all could smell this, but you can't smell it through the camera. Just pretend like you're smelling it. Anyways, it's so good. It's like, let me see if I can read you all the ingredients. So the ingredients is eucalyptus, essential oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, emu oil, grapeseed oil, omega-3 and 6 oils, soy protein, hibiscus flower extract, neem leaf extract, lemongrass extract, chamomile extract, aloe vera extract, full spectrum CBD, beeswax, cocoa butter. So freaking good. It smells so good. And so like I said, I just got out of the hospital, and so these came in like super clutch because, to be honest, you guys, I got poked to get blood work like 15 to 20 freaking times I was in there. So this has just been helping me. My body's been sore. I had 2 IVs in my arms, so taking this stuff has kind of like just relaxed my body. Also, from laying down and being inside the hospital for so long, I was like stiff, and my muscles actually got sore from, I'm used to working out 6 to 7 times a week, and then laying in a freaking bed, not being able to do any type of exercise. You can imagine how my body and my muscles were feeling really sore. So I've been rubbing this all over, and it feels so amazing. I actually love to do this right after like either a hot or cold shower. It's phenomenal. So anyways, they have, I believe, other like products, which I'm going to double check before on that, but this one so far, these 2 are my favorite. The dropper these have always been 2 that I like to try with CBD stuff, because the dropper is not hard to put under your tongue, and this is just like rubbing freaking cocoa butter all over you, but then helping soothe the pain and anything else that you have, like relaxation. Now, it does hit everybody differently as far as like how much you need, your dosage, and wherever you rub it, depending on how much you need to rub on and how many drops you could take. So I only take half of this. Some of you guys might be able to handle a full freaking dropper, which I don't know. I can ask for you guys if you want, but I don't know if that's an overdose or not. Anyways, so I wanted to come on today and talk about this as far as some of the things I love to do pre and post workout. And I always have actually questions you guys ask me whenever I post about any kind of CBD, because I don't smoke weed, but I do believe in CBD, and I do believe that it is a healer. And there's something in my eye, and I do believe that it does strongly help, especially people who work out a lot, even any outdoor activities, just anything, anyone day to day. Like, I give this to my parents, they love it. I actually bought them some for Christmas, back a different one, and I got them each a dropper and a lotion, a cream, because they love it. And I mean, they work out every day, so it's been helping them like tremendously. Like, they're ordering more. So I will leave the website below. I highly recommend you guys try this stuff out. The price is really great on it, and you will feel so much better. It's crazy how these little things that you can do to just like spoil yourself to feel better help so much more. And you guys all know, like, you work hard, you should treat yourself with something. So 1 week, let's say you don't buy something, save it for something like this if you're budgeting or etc. But a lot of you guys do ask me about these products and what I think about them with being in health and fitness, and I absolutely love them. So with that being said, I think I talked about enough for you guys. I can't wait to start creating again for you guys. I have a lot coming. It's just like some things have been obviously holding me back. And that was very unexpected. So I'll leave the description. See, I'm still in like hospital mode with my head. I'll leave the link in the description for these below, and you guys can check them out and let me know what you think. And I'll see you all on my next video. I love you, Team T, baby.